How to add bank account to Venmo. First things first, open up your Venmo app. Look down at the absolute bottom right corner of your screen and tap on that little Me icon with your profile. Now, there are actually two different ways to do this depending on what your screen looks like. Usually, you can just scroll down a bit, look under Banks and Cards, and tap right on Add a Bank or Card, but apps love to update and change things up. So, if you don't see that button on your main profile page, don't sweat it. Just look up at the top right corner and tap that little gear icon for your settings. That's the route we'll take today just to be completely safe. Inside your settings, look for the option that says Payment Methods and give that a tap. From here, you'll see a blue plus sign next to Add a Bank or Card. Go ahead and tap that. And then select Bank. Now this next screen is super important. Venmo is going to give you two choices. You can tap Next to link it instantly, or you can choose Verify Bank manually instead. Here's the quick breakdown. If you choose manual, you'll have to type in your routing and account numbers and then wait a few days for Venmo to send tiny trial deposits to your account to confirm it's yours. It works great if your bank is a smaller local credit union, but it takes time. For this tutorial, we want it done right now, so we're going to tap Next to do it instantly. Go ahead and hit Continue at the bottom of the screen. This opens up Plaid, which is just the ultra-secure system Venmo uses to safely chat with your bank. You'll see a grid of major banks right on the screen. If you don't see yours listed, just use the search bar right at the top to type it in. For our example today, I'm going to tap on Chase. Once you pick your bank, go ahead and hit Continue to log in at the absolute bottom. On the next screen, look over the details and tap Next. Then tap Next one more time on the Sharing Disclosure page. Now, just tap that big blue button that says Connect My Accounts, let the app load for a split second, tap Continue at the bottom of the success screen, and boom, you'll instantly see your bank account connected and ready to go. And that's literally all there is to it. Now that your bank is fully linked, you're probably going to want to load up your digital wallet. To do exactly that, go ahead and click right here to watch my quick guide on how to add money to Venmo. I'll see you over there.